Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is how we're going to be picking winners for our post on Pick to Play. It may be done a little bit differently if you're familiar with the way the site works already on other sites, but for this particular site, this is the way it's going to work. So what will happen is I'm going to have two windows open. One window will contain the list of names. I've pulled this up from another site, another random list of names here, just for an example. So then at the bottom window, as you can see down here, we've got the current time, 4:59 in the PM. I will go over to Facebook on the post itself here, click comment, and put rolling dice. Now that means I'm about to start the video. Okay, so after the video started, I will click over after looking at time and date to verify. This is called randomresult.com. Okay, now you can check this out yourself. In my opinion, this is a great way to do it, and this happens in two parts. Okay, now what I meant by rolling dice, I go to dice first. I'm going to be rolling two dice. Now what we're looking for is a 5 or better. So we're going to roll. Alright, so right here we got 5. That worked out perfect. Anything lower than 5, we just hit roll again. So we're going to be going with 5 rounds. Now what that means is we go over here to our numbers in range. We pick one number between 1 and 10. Okay? So basically what that means is that I'm going to be doing 5 rounds. So we draw once, 2, 3, 4, and this is going to be our final round. So the winner of this particular thing would be number 9. So Mr. Joe would be the one that's actually going to be winning the product. I'll take this video after I get done running it. It's going to look a whole lot like this. I'm going to put it on the post itself, a link to the video. You click on it, you go in and see if you won, and if you did, you PM me your info and I send you the product. It's that simple, folks. Anyway, hope this puts any kind of doubt at ease. Like I said, I'm not here to get anybody. This is basically just the best way, in my opinion, to run a randomized drawing. But y'all have yourself a good day, and thank you very much.